me.
Did you start?
Give him to me, Mama. Definitely give him to me. There's no steering wheel here. So give him to me. Give him to me.
He's driving.
No, no, I don't want him to do that. You have to give him to me. You have to give him to me. You give him to me.
No,
You
don't
give him
disturb him.
You give him to me.
Somia,
You
come on.
give him to me. You give him to me.
What's the matter with you? You got crazy this week.
You give him to me. Is this louder?
No, don't mess with that. This is why we don't like to let kids in the car. You guys mess up with everything.
Is it one more second for ambulance to come?
No.